It is your girl Rakai here, and I'm back here with another video. So for the past, I want to say maybe like 2 or 3 weeks, there's been a lot of circulation of the new and the drip via social media. What's the new products? What's going on? All the brand ambassadors for Mielle Organics, even we were like, what's going on? Mo, what's going on? We want to know. We want to know. So Auntie Mo came through with the new before it hit shelves. I came home to this. I came home to that. Look how, first of all, look how big this box is compared to my head, and my head is pretty big. Okay, so there is a bunch of goodies inside here, and I'm about to do the best unboxing of my life. Let me go ahead and open this. Y'all don't even understand. What do you need? I need to open this. Come on. Oh. Y'all, I'm about to cry. Look at this. How beautiful is this? Like, the packaging is outstanding. Like, what? Look at this package. Oh my god. And that's my girl Mimi. Hey girl. What do you need? Say hello to moisture. What do you need? What do you need? Ooh. Okay. So we have a overnight conditioner. Okay, so this flavor is Hawaiian ginger. It's a moisturizing overnight conditioner, and this is the Moisture RX line. So look at the packaging, guys. Look at this. Our Hawaiian ginger overnight conditioner is the perfect solution for additional moisture and hydration your hair desperately needs. Not only are you restoring your hair while sleeping, but you are giving your hair a jump start for the next day. This conditioner is great for protecting hair from split ends and leaves hair feeling soft and silky. Infused with ginger and avocado, yes, avocado, to detangle, restore moisture, and to bring life back to dry, thirsty curls. This is a moisturizing overnight conditioner. The reason why I'm so happy about this is because I almost always sleep with conditioner in my hair. Started off as like a little lazy thing, I'm gonna be honest. It's easier to now refresh, wash it out. I know my hair is moisturized. I don't have to be like, oh, 30 minutes, oh, an hour, oh. I know if I sleep with it, it's super moisturized. And to me, my hair can never get enough moisture because, again, I color my hair. It's color treated, I bleach it, I do all that stuff to it. It's usually out. I barely wear protective styles, so conditioning is a need for me. It's a need for me. So, and moisture is a need for me. So let me go ahead and open it, and this smells good. Oh my goodness. This is very light, but it's just like, like it feels calming. Like as soon as you like get a sniff, it's just like, I feel good. Like I feel calm. All right, so this is a really thick consistency. This is 12 ounces. It's the same size as the rosemary mint strengthening hair mask. So if you need a sizing, it's the same size as that. Ooh, we got a gel. You know I love it. Y'all know I love the gels. Y'all know I love the gels. This is what she was actually putting on the conveyor belt, and she was like, can you guys guess what this is? If you guys have been following, which you should. This is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel. So Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Styling Gel is no alcohol. No alcohol. It has no alcohol in it. No bomber. No crunch. No flaking. Holding gel designed for those seeking both moisture and hold. This gel is the perfect styling solution for twist outs, braid outs, and definition, even in the perfect ponytail. Y'all heard that? This gel is claiming to be good for all the wash and goes, braid outs. When you braid your hair, you put a little moisturizer underneath it. When you twist your hair, you put a little moisturizer underneath it. When you sleek your hair back, it's good for all of that. So this is an all-in-one gel. This moisturizing formula will make you love gels because it not only moisturizes but hydrates, giving you great hold. It smells really good. This is like more of a floral scent. The consistency is very like, it has like a lot of jiggle to it, and it's clear. So I'm super excited to try this too. This box was made for me. Let me tell you why. Y'all know I love a good leave-in. Like I need a leave-in. Like a leave-in, you guys don't understand. Leave-ins are the most exciting part of my hairstyle. Let me tell you why. Because a leave-in is a segue for the moisture for me. This is what it looks like, and it's the same size as the pomegranate honey. I wonder if this is going to top that, because I love the pomegranate honey one. Let me smell it. It's the same scent as the moisturizing overnight conditioner. It's very calming. It's a little bit more floral, but I like it. I really like the scent. It's not, if you don't like the pomegranate honey scents, I love them because I think they're very potent. I like you don't even need to put on perfume or anything like that. You could just, you know, wear that. This is more light, but it's just like like if somebody like just walks past you and they get a whiff, it's like, ooh, what's that? Like it makes you feel, ooh, what's that? Like, I don't know, it smells so good. Add moisture while removing impurities with our new super hydrating Hawaiian Ginger leave-in conditioner. This product delivers moisture like you wouldn't believe. Keep thirsty hair hydrated by locking in moisture from root to tip. Not only does it restore shine, but it eliminates frizz and delivers long-lasting curl definition. So this is perfect. So I'm excited to try this. I'm super excited to try this, and I'm sure it lives up to the hype because all their products do for me, but this is exciting. I cannot wait to try it. Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Hair Butter. Ooh. This creamy hair butter is the perfect solution for dry, thirsty curls. Not only does it lock in moisture, but it gives shine and restores your dry, thirsty hair back to life. This is gonna be that drip. This is great. Ooh. This is it's the same scent. It's a calming scent, and look at this. This just looks like I want to eat it. Like it just looks like whipped, like I don't know. Like it looks so good. It just, the consistency, it just looks like whipped icing. But it's actually really thick. It's actually, but it just looks so like light and fluffy. I don't know. Like that just makes you want to put it in your hair. I don't know. I'm so excited about this though. Alright, and I think this is the last product. How cute is this? Alright, so this moisture scalp treatment is infused with menthol, ginger. Ooh, menthol. That's gonna be like nice and tingly. Menthol, ginger, and avocado oil. Alright, so I'm already sold. Avocado oil, I'm here for it. I'm here for it. Gives you relief and moisture simultaneously. This mist provides relief for those suffering from dry, itchy scalp. This product is easy to use and it's great for in-between shampoos. Let me smell this for you guys. Ooh, you can smell the menthol in this. You can smell it. It feels really calming. So overall, I feel like this line is like super moisturizing and calming. Like I feel like it's gonna be super calming. Like almost feels like the spa. Like you're just going to the spa and you're just having like a nice chill day, relaxing day. You put your little Mielle black mask on, your little hydrating mask. You're doing your hair. It's just like a nice like spa luxurious feel. Like it just gives me those vibes. I don't know, that's the vibes I get from it. Thank you so much, Mo. Thank you to the whole Mielle team for always giving us the best, always thinking about us. Thank you so much. I really love it. You guys did an amazing job with the whole idea of it, the packaging, everything. Like it just makes me feel so good to just be a part of this brand. I love you guys so much, and I'm super excited to try this. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Happy drip release day. I love you guys. Bye.